price doesn't move on its own. It needs fuel, and that fuel is volume. In this lesson, you'll learn how to read volume to confirm trends, qualify breakouts, and spot early reversal clues with a probability-based approach. What is volume? Volume is how many shares, contracts, or units traded in a period. It shows participation, how many traders are actually involved in the move. Don't just look at big bars. Watch how price behaves as volume rises or falls. Key tools. On-balance volume, OBV, adds volume on up closes, subtracts on down closes. If price and OBV both make higher highs, the uptrend has participation. If price rises but OBV stalls or makes lower highs, that's divergence. A warning of fading strength. VWAP, volume-weighted average price, an intraday fair value. Above VWAP often favors buyers, below favors sellers. A break and hold above below VWAP, or a clean rejection at VWAP can guide entries and exits. How traders use volume. 1. Confirming breakouts. Quality breakouts usually show expanding volume. Look for a close beyond support and resistance, a retest that holds, volume above average, and, ideally, OBV rising with the move. On intraday charts, holding above VWAP longs or below VWAP shorts adds confidence. 2. Spotting reversals with divergence. If price makes a higher high but OBV does not, participation may be thinning. This is stronger near key SR or after price stretches far from VWAP. Wait for confirmation, a decisive opposite close, or a failed retest before acting. Common mistakes. Chasing volume spikes without structure or SR context. Using volume in isolation, skip confirmation from candles, momentum, or higher timeframes. Not adapting risk. Adjust stop loss, targets, and position size to current volatility and volume conditions. Conclusion. Volume helps separate strong moves from weak ones. Use OBV to read participation and VWAP to anchor intraday value. Combine them with structure and confirmation to improve your odds. Trade with discipline. Align risk to conditions. And let volume guide the quality of your setups.